What if I told you it was possible to buy a dream? Aloha, my name is London Almeida, and I'm proud to introduce you one of Pro Portugal's most inspiring new projects, Lagoon Village. Lagoon Village is set in the middle of Portugal's natural beauty, surrounded by world-class surf, kite surfing, golf, and an untouched coastline. It's where nature, culture, and community come together to create something truly special. At Pro Portugal, we believe in living like a local, and here, that means more than a home. It's an experience. A dream you get to wake up to every day. Just 55 minutes from Lisbon, Lagoon Village invites you to live in the Portugal you've always imagined. What if I told you it's possible to buy a dream? If this isn't paradise, I don't know what is. Come with me and I'm going to show you some of the amazing experiences just 5 minutes from your doorstep.